In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Gmail spam folder, 5 minutes. If you've ever been waiting on an email that never shows up, there's a good chance Gmail tucked it away in your spam folder. Gmail's filters work hard to keep junk out of your inbox, but sometimes legitimate messages get misclassified, so knowing where to look can save you time and frustration. Start by opening Gmail in your web browser and signing in if prompted. Once your inbox loads, focus on the left-hand sidebar where your labels and folders live. If the sidebar looks condensed, hover over it or widen your browser window so you can see all the labels clearly. Next, look for the label called More in that left sidebar and click it. Gmail keeps some labels collapsed by default to keep things tidy, and spam is one of the ones that tends to hide under this section. Clicking More expands the full list of labels, making the spam folder visible. Now scroll down through the expanded list until you find spam. It may display a number beside it, which indicates how many messages are currently in that folder. Gmail sometimes hides spam to avoid clutter, so this quick scroll after expanding More is the key to revealing it. Click Spam to open the folder. Inside, you'll see emails Gmail believes are unwanted or potentially harmful. You'll also notice a banner at the top explaining that messages here will be automatically deleted after about 30 days. That's helpful to know in case you're searching for an older message that might have already been cleared out. Take a careful look at the subject lines and senders before interacting with anything. If something looks suspicious, it probably is. There's also a faster way to jump straight to your spam. Use the search bar at the top of Gmail. Click into the search field, type in spam, and press enter. That little search operator instantly takes you to your spam folder, even if you haven't expanded any labels. It's a great shortcut to remember, especially if you manage a lot of messages or your sidebar is cluttered. That's all you need to reliably find your Gmail spam. Open Gmail, expand More on the left, scroll to spam and click it, or use the in spam search shortcut when you want to get there immediately. Keeping an eye on this folder every so often helps make sure important emails don't slip through the cracks. Thanks for watching and happy inboxing.